What's up, guys? We back again with a W day. Big Do's in the chat. You see 3 trades marked out, but you only see 1 execution because your boy was having that analysis paralysis, right? So coming into New York, right? I was expecting a reversal coming to either target our true day open or previous day high over here, right? But overnight, we had swept our previous day high, right? And we had just started falling. We had this 50-minute inversion that we were um, continuing to deliver from. So that was a part of my bearish bias that was respected, and it just absolutely dumped overnight. So let's go up to the 4-hour chart. So market open caused a big impulse downwards that created this inversion on the 4-hour. So as the 10 o'clock candle open, we came in. This would have been a perfect open high, low close kind of trade. But I'm struggling to make sure I use all the concepts all at once, all together. So today I wasn't too focused on the open high low close as much as I was a reversal. But seeing this inversion gave me a very clear bearish bias. And again, the hourly was telling me this same exact thing. So oh shit. So we had just absolute expansion during that night, expansion to the downside during this 9 a.m. candle. Swept out hourly lows everywhere, came down, and it's in an hourly fair value gap now. I don't know why it's so small like this. Or is that 15? No, okay, yeah, that is 15. There's the hourly fair value gap that it's inversing. So at 11, we'll see if that inverses as well. But we had came all the way almost to our previous day's low, which is quite the move, if I do say so. About 400 points. It would have lost 400 points in one morning. But no, it seems like it was just like we were really just selling off all morning. And by the time, well, not really even by the time I realized that, I just didn't have enough confidence. So this was going to be my first trade. I took this inversion gap to the downside, but targeting the equal lows. Not really targeting the equal lows, but equal lows would have been my break-even point. But decided not to take that trade. Absolutely ran without me. Super tight stop and full expansion. See, let's unlock this here. If we had kept our runner like we did for this trade, we would have had a 10R on 2 contracts and then 2.5R on 8 contracts. So that would have been a nice, hefty, sexy trade. This one here, we had a bearish order block along with a bearish fair value gap. We would have entered off of this fair value gap, but we also see that it respected this order block here, opened above it, but wicked out, tapped that fair value gap, and then dumped from there. That one also 2.5R, also TP smashed. And then really that's what my formula was for the next trade that I was taking. I was looking for an order block, bearish fair value gap, and then 2.5R. And those trades are fairly small trades. So like 13-point stop. This one is 25, 16-point stop. So we had some tighter stops than we normally would have. But it all worked out, I guess. It all worked out. So here we tapped in, came up just a little bit, and then just absolutely dumped. Like 2 minutes I was in this trade. But like I like it when that happens. But then I left some 2 runner contracts, stopped me at a break even. Unfortunate, but it's that's how I've decided I want my risk to be. So that's why we go for 2.5 instead of 2, so we can take 80% off at 2.5R. And then even if we get break even on the 20%, it would still average out to around 2.1R for the trade. So yeah, pretty proud of that. Decided not to take any more trades for today. Up 600 on the combine that we just bought, and then up 500 on the funded. So we just got to keep up this momentum. Traded fairly well today. Just got to keep in mind, got to use all the concepts, use everything in your brain when you're looking at the charts. Didn't grab any SMT for our confirmations today. There's no SMT at any lows here. 5-minute, no 5-minute SMT, nothing like that. But I mean, I guess we had SMT right there, but that would have been for a different trade. So there was really no confirmation from ES specifically for me. But yeah, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all made some money today. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow, man. We're gonna get right back to it. Gotta stay locked in on these charts. Can't get complacent. All right. I'll see y'all. Peace.